If you want to start emergency reset on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. From here, just scroll down and look for the option of Safety Check. Just tap on it, then tap on Emergency Reset. Now just scan your face using Face ID or just enter your lock screen passcode. Now the emergency reset feature is used when your personal safety is at risk. You can use this feature to protect your information from people and apps, and you can change your Apple ID password, and you can review all your emergency contacts. Now to proceed, just tap on Start Emergency Reset, and from here just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the emergency reset. For an example, you can tap on Reset People and Apps. Now just select Reset. Now after you reset people and apps, you will be able to add or remove numbers you want to use to verify your identity when you're signing into your Apple account. Now if you want to change it, just tap on the number and change it. Otherwise, you can tap on Continue. Now if you want to update your Apple ID password, just tap on Update Password, or you can select Update Later in Settings. And also, if you want to update your lock screen passcode, you can tap on Update Passcode, or you can select Update Later in Settings. And finally, if you want to add emergency contacts, just tap on Add Contacts, just like that. Now after you do that, just tap on Continue, then tap on Done, and by doing that, you will do an emergency reset on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.